All right, today is the Houston chapter of ASM, which stands for the American Society of Materials. Their focus is more on the material side, but because anything you do now with materials has to be made by something. And so we, for the first year, are in the tour of showing what's available in education for the hands-on type of technology to make things out of the material. And one of the biggest innovations, of course, is 3D printing, which is the exciting technology that's coming out, but we still do the conventional because that's the mainstream. But they still need to have that technology, and we're missing that.
We're very excited to host a group of high school and middle school instructors from the Houston area. These workshops are critically important because our middle school and high school instructors are preparing our future students for careers in STEM. Our high schools have a career and technical education pathway to graduation, and we find that working with our high school students, being able to offer them avenues to graduate the career and technical education pathway and to start taking classes with HCC early on has proved to be very valuable. We find that students are able to earn a number of college credits even while they're completing their high school credits.
Quite frankly, we have more equipment than the colleges do, which is why they're looking at community colleges to take care of the more hands-on type labs, and they'll take care of the more academic ones in the finals, putting the pieces together. We have programs, of course, with Texas A&M. We have some work with U of H, and we're trying to get that stronger.
Dual credit is a very unique opportunity for our area high school students. They're able to take college credit even as they work on their high school diploma. In fact, by a quirk of timing, our dual credit students actually finish their associates at HCC a week before they graduate from high school. So really, when you think about the college savings, this is a huge value proposition for our high school students and for parents and families, because students are able to earn college credit that will transfer to any public institution in Texas while they're paying the community college tuition.
And I'll quote one of the Toyota people. We went to Toyota in San Antonio to talk about their educational system. They're going all the way down through the high schools. He said, we got 3,000 people here, and we have less than 30 engineers. We need technicians. We don't need people to design things. We need people that can make it and keep the machinery running. So that's becoming, with all the technology we have now, that's becoming more of an issue, and it's kind of a lost art.
For more information, click on accs.edu/STEM. Also, click on accs.edu/manufacturing. For Stafford METV, this is Rey Molano.